Charles Hoskinson just made a prediction so nuclear that it sent shockwaves through the entire crypto industry. And what he revealed about Cardano's master plan has the smart money moving massive amounts of capital right now. The Cardano founder didn't just drop hints. He dropped a tactical nuke by predicting that Vitalik Buterin will retire when ADA flips Ethereum in market cap. While everyone thinks this sounds impossible, the technical patterns and revolutionary upgrades backing up his bold claim are absolutely insane. Make sure to watch this video entirely until the end, because Hoskinson's master plan could rewrite the entire crypto hierarchy. Goldrush here from Gold Rush Crypto Daily, and you just walked into the epicenter of alpha, where we don't follow the crowd. We let it. Today we're diving deep into Charles Hoskinson's most explosive predictions and the technical revolution that's backing up every single word. We've got insider intel on the midnight upgrade, well-positioning data that's absolutely nuclear, and chart patterns that confirm Hoskinson might not be as crazy as everyone thinks. This is going to be legendary. Let's dive into this absolutely explosive revelation from Coin Edition that is Charles Hoskinson trending across every crypto platform. The Cardano founder just went completely nuclear with a prediction that made my jaw hit the floor. According to this bombshell report, Hoskinson told Altcoin Daily that Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin will retire right after Cardano flips ETH in market cap. Now, he said this jokingly at first, but here's the thing about Charles Hoskinson. This man doesn't joke about winning, and what he revealed next proves he's dead serious about dominating the Layer 1 space. Hoskinson quickly turned serious, and these are his exact words: "I want to win." Levity aside, Midnight Upgrade will be launched on the mainnet. Did you catch the intensity in that statement? This isn't just competitive banter. This is a declaration of war against Ethereum, Solana, Tron, and every other Layer 1 trying to claim the throne. But here's where Hoskinson's master plan gets absolutely massive. The Midnight Upgrade isn't just another incremental improvement. This is a complete game changer that's been in stealth development since 2024, and the level of innovation is absolutely mind-blowing. What Hoskinson has built with Midnight is revolutionary. This isn't a sidechain or some half-baked solution. Midnight operates as an independent Layer 1 partner chain focused entirely on privacy. It leverages Cardano's battle-tested security while opening up trillion-dollar markets that Ethereum can't even touch. Here's why Hoskinson's confidence is absolutely justified. Midnight targets real-world assets, cross-chain DeFi, identity verification, and healthcare data. These aren't theoretical use cases. These are massive industries where privacy is worth more than gold, and Cardano is about to dominate them completely. The brilliant minds at Zonix and OpenZeppelin have been helping develop this nuclear upgrade, and the Night token airdrops have already started. While Ethereum struggles with gas fees and scalability, Hoskinson is quietly building the infrastructure for the next crypto revolution. But wait, there's more that proves Hoskinson isn't just talking. He's executing at levels that have institutions absolutely scrambling to position themselves. The institutional demand for altcoins is creating perfect conditions for Cardano, and the ADA to Bitcoin trading pair is signaling macro reversals that technical analysts haven't seen in years. This is where Hoskinson's timing becomes absolutely genius. Wall Street analysts are expecting an altcoin ETF summer. And guess what? Grayscale Investments and Tuttle Capital have already filed to offer spot ADA ETFs. The man saw this coming from miles away and positioned Cardano perfectly for institutional adoption. The price targets that come with Hoskinson's master plan are absolutely insane. We're looking at ADA rebounding from 53-cent support with potential moves towards all-time highs once it breaks above $1.18. This isn't just technical analysis. This is Hoskinson's vision becoming reality through pure execution and revolutionary technology. Now, if Charles Hoskinson's nuclear predictions have you as fired up as they have me, you absolutely need to see what just dropped from Brave New Coin that's confirming everything he revealed. The technical analysis in this second article is literally screaming that Hoskinson's master plan is backed by chart patterns that could make his Ethereum flipping prediction look conservative. Hit that like button, because what I'm about to show you validates the genius behind Hoskinson's confidence. Check out what the brilliant analysts at Brave New Coin just dropped that has me going absolutely nuclear. This piece contains technical confirmation that proves Charles Hoskinson's bold predictions aren't just visionary talk. They're backed by explosive market data that's got the smart money positioning exactly where he wants them. According to this bombshell report from Brave New Coin, the smart money that Hoskinson has been courting is showing up in massive ways. Cardano price has broken out of a long-term descending triangle on the weekly chart, exactly the kind of pattern that signals the end of downward phases and validates everything Hoskinson just predicted about Cardano's dominance trajectory. Here's the absolutely massive part that proves Hoskinson's timing is absolutely genius. This breakout comes after months of price respecting the upper trend line while maintaining higher lows. This is textbook accumulation pressure that shows institutions have been quietly positioning for Hoskinson's master plan. The breakout candle pushed above the 64 to 65 cent range that previously acted as an unbreakable ceiling, with weekly volume ticking higher, confirming this isn't a fake breakout. This is the structural shift Hoskinson orchestrated. But here's where the Brave New Coin analysis gets absolutely nuclear. And this literally made me realize why Hoskinson is so confident about flipping Ethereum. The next key zone sits around $1, where ADA last saw heavy distribution. But clearing that level leaves limited historical resistance until the 150 to 160 band, with chart projections suggesting potential runs towards $3 over the longer term. These aren't random numbers. These are the exact price levels Hoskinson needs to execute his Ethereum flipping master plan. Fresh derivatives data from TapTools reveals something that proves the institutional players understand Hoskinson's vision completely. 75.42% of major participants on Hyperliquid are currently positioned long on ADA, with only 24.58% holding shorts. 75% long. This massive bias towards long exposure indicates the smart money is betting everything on Hoskinson's revolutionary roadmap. The Brave New Coin report reveals order book data from CW8900 that shows Hoskinson's strategic positioning is absolutely perfect. Cardano's next major supply zones are clustered around 85 cents and 93 cents, areas where sellers have historically been active. But here's why Hoskinson's confidence is totally justified. If both zones get absorbed on strong volume, ADA gains unstoppable momentum towards the $1 psychological level, exactly where his master plan accelerates. Now here's the part of the Brave New Coin analysis that made my trader heart skip a beat. CryptoFront's 3-day chart shows a clean breakout from a falling wedge pattern, a setup often associated with bullish reversals that align perfectly with Hoskinson's timeline. The breakout comes after multiple failed attempts to breach the wedge's upper trend line, but this latest move closed decisively above it with buying volume that's absolutely beautiful to witness. This structure puts ADA on track to challenge $1 in the medium term, with $1.35 as the next major technical target. But here's where Hoskinson's genius becomes undeniable. Analyst Sebi pointed out that ADA has historically delivered sharp 200 to 300% moves in favorable market conditions. From current levels above 80 cents, this places Cardano within range of rapid extensions towards $3. The exact price territory where Hoskinson's Ethereum flipping prediction becomes mathematically possible. Charles Hoskinson just showed us why he's one of the most underestimated masterminds in crypto history. While everyone was laughing at his Ethereum flipping prediction, he was quietly building the technical infrastructure and institutional relationships to make it reality. The Midnight upgrade launching before year-end isn't just another crypto project. It's Hoskinson's nuclear weapon against every layer one trying to compete with Cardano. Privacy-focused real-world assets, cross-chain DeFi, and healthcare data markets worth trillions of dollars are about to become Cardano's exclusive playground. With technicals confirming massive breakouts, whales positioning 75% long, and institutional ETF applications already filed, Hoskinson's master plan is executing perfectly. The pending SEC decision on Grayscale's ADA ETF could trigger the momentum wave that makes his Ethereum flipping prediction look conservative rather than crazy. Mark my words, when ADA breaks cleanly through 85 and 93 cents, we're looking at clear skies towards $1 and beyond. From there, Hoskinson's $3 targets put Cardano within striking distance of seriously challenging Ethereum's market cap dominance. The man wasn't joking. He was forecasting. This changes the entire game for anyone holding ADA or considering entering before Hoskinson's master plan reaches full execution. The smart money is loading up while retail sleeps on the Cardano founder's revolutionary vision. But you're getting this alpha right now. If Hoskinson's nuclear revelations have you as fired up as they have me, absolutely smash that like button. Hit that notification bell because the Cardano founder's master plan is unfolding in real time. And let me know in the comments. Do you think Charles Hoskinson is crypto's most underestimated genius? Or is his Ethereum flipping prediction completely insane? Subscribe now because Hoskinson's master plan doesn't wait for anyone. And I'll see you tomorrow with more alpha that could change your financial future. Until then, keep watching the genius at work. And remember, we don't follow the crowd, we lead it. Goldrush out.